Why we must learn literature? Because literature is important in language communication, and literature improves our commons of language. It teaches us about the life, cultures, and experience of people in other parts in the world. As example, if your student have a mistake, you may rebooking them by use polite language. And then literature is thought is all of beauty word and organized will appear if according to great thinking. And literature's feeling is at the moment popular and blooming. And the last one is literature's as expression. Literature's expression is a form of human expression to know what will the human want to talk and share.